What's up, everybody? It's Amanda from Pure Fix TV, and we are here at Interbike Vegas 2012. Let's go check it out.
The door. I got to get on down.
So you soak into your subconscious.
What's up, everybody? I'm here with Jesus from Interbike. How's it going?
It's going really good. Just here having a good day, enjoying the second day of Interbike.
Nice. Can you tell me your favorite thing about Interbike so far this year?
My favorite thing about Interbike, I guess I have two things. One is all the product that's right here. All the companies get to come here once a year and showcase what's coming up next. And I guess my most favorite thing is the fact that I get to see everybody that I know from all over the world that come here and travel. And you know, the fixed gear community is so tight that you get to know everybody from all parts of the world, and they're all here, and where everybody's having a really good time.
Nice. Thank you so much for being here. Alright, this is Pure Fix's new kids bike line, and I'm about to go take it for a spin.
Yo, my name's Chris from Boombotics. Stoked to be out here at Interbike 2012. My favorite part of Interbike is the friends, man. Catching up with old homies, riding out in the streets, and just catching up with good times. Word.
Alright guys, that was Interbike 2012. Pretty crazy here in Vegas. Hit us up on our Twitter at PureFixTV, and be sure to check out the next episode at PureFixTV.com. I'm Amanda. I'll see you next time.